And then just relax for me.
Oh, I felt like my leg was gonna fly off.
That's one of the loudest ones I've ever heard. All right. Got it?
Oh yeah.
You feel both of those?
Yeah, I felt both those.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I was cracking before you even put it. That was so good.
And then you're gonna press your elbow back into my arm right here. Yep. Got it.
What? Why did it pop so easy?
It's usually not that hard, honestly.
Wow.
It's
Oh my gosh.
How do you feel?
Like I could go swimming. I could go for a run. I'm not a runner, but
But you are now.
I am now. We'll see.
Perfect.
I think it's a 10 out of 10 for me.
All right, I got to give it a review, so.